Stop loss integration on the self-insured reporting platform is, by many clients' estimation, the most powerful piece of the entire platform. Of course, as you know by now, by watching the videos, we bring in claims each month when the data comes in, and then we're funneling that into the reinsurance contract structure. This is just simply showing you very easily all of the people that have hit 50% of spec for the specific reinsurance. If there was an aggregating specific, it would accommodate for that as well. You can run reports off this. You can download this actual grid, this table, or you can actually click right here and download all of the claims for these members. For those of you who actually submit reinsurance claims, these are the exact details on these participants that you need to be able to submit the claim, which is a very important thing that I believe the self-insured reporting platform is the only one that does. Now let's move on to how this data is used in reporting. Now, of course, we know which individuals are over or under specific deductibles for all of the various contract years. All of this data funnels directly into the stop-loss reimbursements so that we can use it from a modeling of what the overall client's costs were. Now, in this situation right here, you'll see there was a very large stop-loss reimbursement in the month of July 2018. However, that was actually from the prior contract year, not the current contract year, which very commonly has. This example is showing you both a run-in and run-out example. These are run-in claims from a financial perspective that ran out from the prior contract. And obviously, all of that becomes extremely important when you get to where you want to run aggregate reports to be able to see exactly how the reinsurance contract is performing. Note that our perspective is we come from a consulting background in prior lifetimes prior to doing lots of things and building a technology company and ultimately this project of self-insured reporting. So we understand that we have to report to a client on a financial perspective on a monthly basis, but we also have to be able to report based upon the reinsurance contract. And we built the platform to be able to do both. So this shows you how we actually report. So at this point showed you how we calculate which individuals and which we need specific stop-loss reimbursements on, how we report about it. Next, we're going to show you actually how we can even assist you in tracking those reimbursements. The reimbursements, of course, are coming from the large claims. We have an entire section that has to do with everything that's being extracted out. These are 50% of spec reimbursement if you'd like to look at it that way. And finally, the reimbursement section, to where the system automatically is going to show the claimants and the amount of claims. If there's any type of a laser or aggregating specific, those details are going to be here as well so that you can track the ongoing submission of claims to the reinsurance carrier as well as amounts that have been denied and amounts you should expect to receive in reimbursement. For instance, in this example, you can see this claimant in total amount of claims that there was, it appears there were no lasers specifically on this person. There's a 1218 contract. Gives you an idea of the level of detail that our system accommodates for in terms of reinsurance. And it would show you exactly what's outstanding. In this section, if you do receive reimbursements, you can actually add those and they will deduct from these overall amounts. From a reinsurance perspective, we are fully optimized and integrated, accommodating for level funded plans or specific reinsurance, plans that have different aggregate factors for different plans, plan mirroring provisions, actively at work, domestic claims contracts where there's different reimbursement levels for certain providers, as well as all the details on specific reinsurance, which benefits are covered, lasers, and the same for aggregate. Full integration for stop loss, reporting, tracking, and claim filing.